Good morning, student. Today we will study chapter 12 areas related to circles. Exercise 12.1. Question number 1. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Solution. Given radius of the first circle R1 is equal to 19 centimeter, radius of the second circle R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Let R be the radius of the new circle. According to question, the circumference of the new circle, circumference is 2 pi r, is equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. That means 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 implies 2 pi r is equal to, we can take 2 pi as a common, r1 plus r2 imply r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus r2 divided by twice pi. This 2 pi and 2 pi will be cancelled out. Therefore, r is equal to r1 plus r2 imply r is equal to r1 is 19 and r2 is 9. So it is equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the new circle is equal to 28 centimeter, and hence. Question number 2. The radii of the two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circles having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Solution. Given radius of the first circle R1 is equal to 8 centimeter, radius of the second circle R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Let R be the radius of the new circle. According to question, the area of the new circle pi r square is equal to the sum of the area of the two circles, that means pi r1 square plus pi r2 square implies pi r square is equal to, we can take pi as a common, r1 square plus r2 square implies r square is equal to pi r1 square plus r2 square divided by pi. This pi and pi will be cancelled out. So r square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square implies r square is equal to h square plus 6 square implies r square is equal to h square becomes 64, 6 square become 36. Therefore, r square is equal to 100 implies r square is equal to 10 whole square. Therefore, r is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the new circle is equal to 10 centimeter, and hence